Did you know beef tallow soap has been used for centuries as a skincare staple? From ancient households to early pioneers, this was the trusted way to cleanse and protect skin. And now, it's making a powerful comeback. Hello everyone. Today we're uncovering the secret to healthier skin, beef tallow soap. This old-fashioned natural cleanser is gaining popularity again, and for good reason. In this video, you'll discover why tallow soap works so well, what makes it different from commercial soaps, and how it can help with common skin issues like dryness, irritation, and sensitivity. Most of us deal with skin struggles, dryness, itchiness, irritation. Here's the problem. Most store-bought soaps are packed with harsh chemicals and fake fragrances. They strip away our natural oils, leaving skin tight, dry, and unbalanced. For those with sensitive skin, eczema, or psoriasis, this cycle feels endless. So the big question is, how can we cleanse daily without damaging our skin? That's where beef tallow soap steps in. Beef tallow soap is made from rendered beef fat. Sounds unusual, but it's almost identical to the natural oils in our skin. This means it hydrates instead of stripping. It nourishes your skin barrier. It locks in moisture, packed with vitamins A, D, E, and K. It supports repair, elasticity, and a natural glow. It's gentle enough for everyday use on face and body, and can be used for travel. Here's where it gets real. I used to battle dry, irritated skin, especially in winter. Then I switched to beef tallow soap. Within weeks, my skin was softer, smoother, and balanced. No more stubborn dry patches, and I'm not alone. Many people say tallow soap is the only cleanser that finally made their skin feel truly healthy. If you want to try it for yourself, I personally recommend Back to Naturalness tallow soap. Here's what makes it special. It comes in 3 options: lavender plus rosemary, patchouli plus cedarwood, and an unscented bar for sensitive skin. Every bar is crafted with simple, nourishing ingredients: beef tallow, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, aloe vera, and pure essential oils, unless you choose unscented. You can grab it today on Walmart.com or Amazon.com. And I've dropped the direct links for you in the description. So here's the takeaway. Beef tallow soap isn't just old-fashioned. It's a nutrient-rich, skin-loving cleanser that supports your skin's natural balance. If you're tired of harsh soaps, this may be your secret weapon for healthier skin. Have you tried natural soap before? Especially beef tallow? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to try Back to Naturalness tallow soap, check out the links in the description to order from Walmart or Amazon today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare tips and secrets.